Hey everyone, it's Jamie from No Getting Off This Train, and I wanted to show you how I use my school lunch planner for Allison's lunches for the week. So Allison packs her lunches every day, and she's told me that she's wanted something different in her lunchbox every day. So I created this little form here to help me keep track of what I have in the house and also what I need to buy in order to put something different in her lunchbox every week. And so over here on the left side, I have 6 little boxes for each of the different types of foods. And what I do first is look in my pantry and see what I have already. So over here under grains, I've got the Bugles, popcorn, crackers. I've already got block cheese and yogurt, and I have a couple of treats. And so now I have to think about what she might want in her lunchbox for the week. And so for like under protein, I know that she likes salami. So I will write salami. And now she's really picky. And you might have a picky child too. So put things that they like in their lunchbox, but also try to experiment and see if they would be willing to try something new, or just put it in there. And you never know, they might try it. So she likes salami. She likes pepperoni. You could do like hard-boiled eggs for the protein. And then under veggies, Allison doesn't like vegetables at all, but I'll put down carrot sticks, and cauliflower is on sale this week. So I'll buy a thing of cauliflower and put a little bit of it in her lunchbox a couple of the days. And then fruits, like I know she likes strawberries. So I'll put that in there. And so that's what you'll do. You'll just go and fill out each one of the boxes. I would say, if you want to put 2 or 3 in each box, that would be just fine. And then you can just kind of mix and match throughout the week. And so over on this right side, I have the 5 days of the week. And so what you'll do is go over to the left column and you'll pick out which foods that you want for a certain day. And you just write it in. So on Monday, I would give her some salami and just go down the list. I'll give her some Bugles and then some block cheese. And then we'll do carrots and strawberries. And then I'll put some fruit snacks. And so that's what you'll do. You'll take 1 or 2 from each column, you'll write it in the box for the week, and then you'll just go down the list, and then you can mix and match each of the meals, and so that way your children will have something new every day for lunch. And so if you would like this school lunch planner for yourself, I have a free download on my blog post, and so I'll put a link to that in the description below. But I really hope that it helps you get your lunch items organized. I know that it's really helped me these past couple weeks ever since I created it. So hey, leave me a comment and let me know how it works.